Ubuntu ships with Firefox by default, but if you're using Ubuntu 22.04 or newer, that Firefox is not a normal DEB package. It's a snap. If you prefer the traditional DEB version, faster startup, better system integration, or just personal preference, this video shows you exactly how to do it the right way without Snap reinstalling itself later. Here's the catch. You cannot install the Firefox DEB by just running sudo apt install Firefox. That package is a transition package, and it only exists to reinstall the Snap. So if you don't do this properly, Ubuntu will quietly bring the Snap back. Let's fix that permanently. First, remove the Firefox Snap. Next, create a keyring directory. This is where Ubuntu stores trusted signing keys. Run this long command to import Mozilla's signing key. This tells Ubuntu that packages from Mozilla are trusted. You can copy the long commands from the video description, but check the greater than symbol is removed because these are not allowed in the video description, so add them. Next, add Mozilla's apt repository. Now Ubuntu knows where to get the real Firefox DEB package. This step is critical. Without it, Ubuntu will reinstall the Snap during updates, and this forces Ubuntu to always prefer Mozilla's DEB package. Run the update command and then install Firefox. You will now install Firefox directly from Mozilla, not canonical. Open Firefox from your app menu, pin it to your dock, and you're done. You'll now receive updates directly from Mozilla using apt, just like classic Ubuntu used to work. Should you even do this? If the Firefox Snap works fine for you, don't change anything. Snap support is improving and many issues are being fixed. But if you want maximum control, faster startup, and traditional Linux behavior, the DEB version is still a great choice. That's how to install Firefox as a DEB on Ubuntu, the clean, supported way. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment Snap or DEB. Which do you prefer and why?